the makeup industry has done it again. They have successfully found a way to take all of my coins. Hi loves, it's Kara right here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video on a highly talked about makeup product that has been sweeping YouTube and social media since probably about 3 weeks ago. And I'm talking about the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealers. If you guys are interested to see how these products work, then make sure you keep on watching. So like I mentioned, this video is going to be a review slash demo on these babies right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. So I didn't get any contour shades, I just got concealer shades, and I got 3, and in the packaging they're all looking very similar, so I might have wasted my money, but we're gonna try them out together today. And these concealers went viral probably about 3 weeks ago when Holly Boone mentioned them in one of her videos, and then literally they just took off from there. I decided to wait until they came to the States, and they were released on the Ulta page on the 23rd. I ordered them on the 23rd. Yes, I was that thirsty, and then now they're here, so I'm going to be trying them out for you guys now. Now, what kind of sparked the controversy on these is that they are very similar, or they're supposed to be very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I also am a huge fan of the NARS Radiant Creamy concealers, and I also have a couple of Naked Skin by Urban Decay concealers. So I was trying not to be a makeup hoarder, and I wanted to use these products before I tried the Tarte Shape Tape. But since Tarte Shape Tape has been canceled, now I'm not even going to get the opportunity to try it. So hopefully these are good. I kind of want to touch a little bit on the Tarte controversy. So if you guys aren't aware, and I'm sure you are, Tarte released a new long wear Shape Tape foundation. The release of this foundation like literally sparked so much conversation, so much discussion, and so much controversy. And I kind of wanted to give my thoughts on that just because it's been weighing really heavy on me since the release of it. I saw the release like teasers on Pop Sugar where they showed the different swatches and what the shade range was gonna look like, and I literally was so like disheartened and sad and disappointed. You guys just have no idea. It's just very frustrating that in 2018 these multi-million-dollar corporations can't get a shade range right. Like, if you can't get a shade range right the first time, why even release it? I know they said that they were going to be releasing 5 more shades in the summertime, but like so many other beauty vloggers have said, my skin tone is not seasonal. If you guys can't release my skin tone now, I don't want to be bothered with your products later. I feel really strongly on this, and I know they released like a lot of apologies and everybody's trying to say like give him a second chance, but I can't accept excuses in 2018. If you don't like it, I just don't know what to say, but it's just very unacceptable. I just can't understand how they even thought that that was going to be okay. Like, those shades were, there's 3 shades for people of color. Like, we don't all fit into just 3 shades. Like, are you kidding me? And it's probably just 2 if you really want to be technical with it, but we're gonna say 3 because there is like a tan shade in there. But yeah, it's just not acceptable for me. Okay, so now for what you guys probably really came for, the Makeup Revolution concealers. And right now it's only available online at Ulta, and it ranges in 18 different shades. You have your fair shades all the way to your deeper shades. These concealers are currently retailing for $7 online, and they will hit the stores on February 4th. They have 0.11 fluid ounces, 3.4 milliliters of product, and it is a liquid concealer, of course. It does have a large applicator wand, and that's probably what's really comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and it is claiming to be full coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch them. I got the shades C7, C10, and C12. This right here is going to be the C7 shade. Now we're gonna go in with C10. I'm terrible at this swatch thing. C10 is almost my exact shade right now, so this is going to be a great concealing shade for me. I'm kind of excited about that. and I feel like C12 is going to be also very close to my skin color. Yeah, so C12 is going to be my summer conceal and highlight shades. I think I'm going to apply the C10 actually. So I don't have anything on my face other than my primer and foundation. To prime my face, I use the blackIUp Paris Strobing Base Primer. I really love this primer because it bronzes up my skin and it does an amazing job of kind of like bringing some radiance back to my skin, especially in the wintertime when I'm a little bit on the paler side. This really warms up my skin, so I've been loving this product lately. And for my foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite at the moment, the Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation. This has changed my makeup game so much. I love this foundation. It's a great texture, it's a great consistency, it literally lasts all day. I always get compliments when I'm wearing this foundation. Definitely a flawless finish, and I've been loving this lately. Okay, so I'm loving the application so far of the product. It's very smooth and kind of creamy. I'm loving this consistency. I'm loving it. I definitely was missing out with the Tarte Shape Tape applicator because I'm really liking how this applicator, it just applies your product so effortlessly. Like, I'm really liking it. Now let's see how this baby blends out. So C10 is definitely my highlight shade. I'm loving the way it blended out under my eyes. I would say it is full coverage because I am getting a nice glow from this concealer. This product is literally, I'm blown away. For a product that was this inexpensive, this stuff really concealed and highlighted perfectly. Like, I'm really blown away by this. It blended out really seamlessly. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey on my skin. I'm still kind of getting a dewy kind of skin finish with it, and I'm liking the way it's like making my makeup look right now. So sit tight, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and be back to give some final thoughts and opinion on this concealer. Okay, so I have finished my face. I can't tell if this is a $7 concealer or if this is a $28, $30 concealer. Like, that is how good this concealer actually works. The way I look at it is, if a $7 concealer can do what a $28, $30 concealer can do, I think I'm going to be going with this $7 concealer from now on. I'm really excited that this product has launched. It definitely is worth the hype. I know a lot of you guys have probably seen videos on this Makeup Revolution concealer and you're wondering, like, is it even worth the hype? And I will have to say that yes, it's definitely worth the hype, guys. The shade range is very broad. There are 18 shades and they're going to be adding a few more shades. So there might be, I think, like 25 shades that are going to be coming out here soon. So 18 shades for a drugstore concealer makeup brand is okay in my book. So I would definitely suggest giving them a try. Alright guys, so everything will be listed down in the description box for you, links and all, so make sure you open that up and check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more makeup related videos from me, reviews and tutorials. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of this Makeup Revolution concealer. Are you going to give it a try? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and click the post notifications. I upload 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss any of my upcoming content. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!